Hey, this is Aaron Wolpin with AWOL Audio, and I'm here to show you how to make things sound high pitch. I got a vocal here. Here's how it was normally.
The cycle's begun.
Good voice, good take, but let's say I want to make him sound like a chipmunk. All we got to do is separate the region by selecting it, hitting B in Pro Tools with your shortcut on, and we're going to go to Audio Suite, Pitch, and we're just going to go to Pitch Shift. Once you're here, you can preview it. You hit Preview. And what we're going to do is just, raise it, the chorus, up to, let's see what 8 semitones sounds like. And
the cycle's begun.
Perfect. This is Aaron Wolpin with AWOL Audio. Thanks for watching. Take care.